Hello everyone, how are you? I'm fine. Then, what did we study last time? Do you remember? Ah, Sindbad the Sailor. Sindbad the Sailor we are studying. And what did we study in it? What is the name? The first voyage. In that first voyage, we studied that Sindbad, he was on the voyage, means he was traveling in the ship with his company, with merchants for making his business, means to sell his merchandise. But what happened? They saw an island and they were surprised and happy also. So they decided to go on that island. So they sailed their ship to the island and captain allowed them to enjoy the picnic on that island. So some people were dancing, some people were cooking, some people were washing clothes and pants, some people were wandering here and there, right? But what happened all of a sudden? That land was shaking and nobody couldn't understand what was happening. Then after a while they understood it was not island, it was a back of that sea monster. Then when they understood this, the captain of the ship ordered his men to sail that ship away from that sea monster. So the sea monster, he plunged into the deep sea. So some people, they sank or drowned in the sea, and some people, they went on the ship. But here Sindbad, he was alone, who could not go near the ship. He was alone and ship was very far away from him. So he was holding or clinging a wooden piece. Yes, for whole night he held that wooden piece, and afterwards he saw a true island next morning, because whole night he was holding now, and he was exhausted, he was tired, and he was hungry also, and with all power and strength he went near that island. He was laying on the island, he saw some fruit trees having shades, but the king ordered his groom to go there, go near Sindbad, and that groom gave Sindbad food and drink. When the groom took him near the king, Sindbad told his all story. Then king was impressed by the story of Sindbad. Yes, and he appointed Sindbad officer of that port. Yes, officer of that port. After here we studied. Yes, now we shall study next part. Yes, after here we studied. Sindbad stayed there for a few days, learning a lot from king and the people on the island, and in turn telling them about the other cities and ports that he had visited. Now for some days he stayed there, and he learnt about king and the people on that on island, and he was telling them about the cities and other ports, because he was making journey na, he was traveling to many ports and many cities in the sea, and he was telling to king and the people on that island. At the port, Sindbad often made inquiries about any ships coming from or going to Baghdad, but no such ship were came to that port. When he was on the port, he was asking to every ship, "Are you going to Baghdad? Or have you come from Baghdad?" Why was he asking? Because Sindbad was from Baghdad. Where was from Sindbad? Sindbad was from Baghdad. That is why he was asking every ship, are you from Baghdad or are you going to Baghdad? But he got answer no every time. Then one day a ship arrived at the island with a lot of merchandise, with a lot of goods, merchandise, lot of mal. Merchandise means mal, selling. विकायचा माल, we say in Marathi. Merchandise means विकायचा माल. Sindbad was at the quay when the cargo from the ship was being unloaded. Where was Sindbad? He was at the platform of the port. Quay means platform of the port. And when that ship was being unloaded means all load was coming down from that ship. He was surprised to see that his own name was marked on some of the boxes. He was shocked. On some boxes my name is there. Then he went to see the captain of the ship. Then he went near that ship. Who was that captain of that ship? Yes, in which my name is written. Sindbad. At first the captain could not believe that it was the same Sindbad that they had been drowning in the sea. But when Sindbad spoke to him face to face, he recognized him. At first captain could not believe his eyes. But when Sindbad talked to him face to face, he understood that he was Sindbad. He was overjoyed to Sindbad alive, and that captain was very, very happy. Overjoyed, very, very happy, to feel very, very happy. Overjoyed means, and that Sindbad was alive. Alive means jinda, jivant. Alive means what? Jinda or jivant. And who was happy to see alive? Captain was happy to see alive Sindbad. He gave him back all his merchandise, and whatever merchandise was there in that ship, he gave him back. From the goods that he thus got back, Sindbad presented the most valuable items to the king of the island, saying, please accept this, your majesty. Whatever valuable things were there in that merchandise, valuable things, costly, yes, he gave to the king. What was he saying? Please take it, please accept it, your majesty. Oh my lord, oh my dear king. Majesty means what? Oh my dear king, please accept it, please take it, and very generous to me, and be kind to me. Generous means kind. The king was pleased, or king was very happy to get valuable things or gifts from Sindbad. He to give Sindbad many valuable gifts when Sindbad left the island with the merchant ship, and the king also gave very valuable gifts to whom? Sindbad. Yes, when he was leaving that island, because now he got his own ship. He would not stay there for a long time. He wanted to go with that ship, with that captain. If you want to know what happened to Sindbad afterwards, you have to read the rest of the story of his fantastic voyages. And if you want to read his stories, then you have to read the story from his name. What is the name of that story? Fantastic Voyages. From that you have to read. So today I will give you homework. Read this lesson 3 to 4 times. Okay, 3 to 4 times read. It is your homework. 4 times you have to read this lesson. How many times? 4 times. Understand? Okay. And these hard words which are given below the lesson, new words, learn and write 2 times. Learn and write 2 times. So stay tuned, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.